Hey, it's Jose from Artz-Drones, and today, unfortunately, due to FAA regulations, we are unfortunately able to fly in this area. I've been flying in this area since April of 2024 with no issues whatsoever, but unfortunately, due to all the stuff going on, we unfortunately pay the price. Fortunately for us, our contractor wanted us to still take photos of what's going on today for progression. So we'll be a little different today. What we will shoot is more of a ground footage and hopefully get some interviews from the crew. So sit back and enjoy.
Hey, I'm Tom Vita from Hudson Meridian, the on-site General Field Super. Today we'll be pouring the second floor.